The Honda Odyssey key fob for 2014-2020 models uses a CR2032 battery. If your remote isn't working, battery replacement is often the fix. First, locate the small slot or button near the keychain ring on your fob. Use a flathead screwdriver or coin to gently pry the case open. Avoid using excessive force or metal tools to prevent damage. Some models might require a twisting or squeezing motion to release internal clips. Be careful of the case being glued or snapped. Apply gentle heat from a hairdryer if needed. If the case won't open, this is a common problem. Once the key fob is open, begin replacing the battery. Remove the old CR232 battery, making sure to note the polarity with the positive side up. Insert the new CR232 battery, ensuring correct polarity to avoid damage. If you see any corrosion on the contacts, clean them carefully. Snap the case back together and test all the buttons to confirm the remote is working properly. If the remote still doesn't work, try resyncing the fob by cycling the ignition or using Honda's programming mode. Also check for water damage or damaged circuits, especially if the fob got wet. If these steps fail, seek professional diagnosis. DIY repairs save an average of $60 to $80 compared to dealership costs. Current trends show a shift to newer models with battery-less NFC key fobs to prevent these issues.